Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia. It's that time of year again. It will soon be Thanksgiving. I will show you how to create a delicious and easy dinner roll. That's what's jumping in my pot today. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use for the dinner roll. 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a half a cup of cold milk, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pack of dry yeast. I already added in the sugar, the salt to the pot with the butter. Now I'm going to add in the yeast, 1 pack of dry yeast. You stir that up. Then you add the cup of a half a cup of milk in. You stir this up. Then you add the 1 beaten egg in. You stir all the ingredients up together. The next thing is we cover the pot for 1 minute. Then we move on to the next step. The yeast has been resting for 1 minute in this pot. So the next step is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. We add it to the pot, along with 1/2 cup of flour. We also have 1/4 cup of flour. This is for later. Now, this is the next step we do. We mix the flour up in the pot with the yeast mixture. You see? You mix it up until everything is incorporated together. It's going to be sticky. That's how it should be. You see? This is how it looks. Now, what we do next is we take the cover, we cover it up for 1 hour. I'll see you in an hour for the next step. It has been 1 hour resting in the pot now. This is the next step we do. We knead it in the pot, the dough. So it's supposed to be sticky like this. Now this is what we do next. This is the 1/4 cup of flour we had here. We pour it on a cutting board. And we put the dough. Okay, I've put the flour on the cutting board and the dough. You knead this up together. As you knead it, you form it into a ball. You're pushing all the air out of the dough. That's what we're doing when we're kneading this. Keep pressing till all the air comes out, any air bubbles. This dough here should make about 6 dinner rolls. Okay, that should be good. We form it into a ball. You see? Then we'll move on to the next step after it rests here for about 3 minutes. Now, this is the next step we do. We got to get 3, put it between your index finger and your thumb, and you make 3 balls. And with that 3 ball, you make another one. Until we get 6 balls. This is what you do next. You take it and you roll it into like a log. Roll the dough into a log. Now, this is the next step. You take the dough, you take your finger, you roll it around your finger, and you close it in like that. You put it in a 9-inch square baking dish. I'm going to show you another one. You roll it out like a log. Now you take it You take your index finger, you roll it around your finger, and you take the piece and push it under into a roll like that. Now the next step is I have the 6 dinner rolls in the baking pan, and we take an egg white and a pastry brush, and we brush the top of the dinner rolls. This will make it nice and shiny. There. Our next step is we cover this for 30 to 40 minutes to let it rise. Then we put it in the oven, a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. Or it depends on your oven. Everybody oven bakes different. This is the finished rolls. I've taken them out the oven. They were cooking for 17 minutes. Brown on the bottom, the top, and let's see how nice and soft inside. You see? There you have it. Dinner rolls. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, and share, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.